In affiliate marketing, your email list is your business. It's not part of your business, it is your business. So having a good email autoresponder is crucial to your success. But as you can see, there's so many options out there. So if we look at me just Googling email autoresponder, we get Mailchimp, we get ActiveCampaign, Aweber, whatever that is, email tool tests, I don't know what all this stuff is. Now, if we look at this page I found here, where it's basically a blog where somebody listed their favorite email autoresponders. Now, I want to say something. If you're in affiliate marketing, you can ignore most of the information out there. And the reason being is most email autoresponder services do not like affiliate marketers. They just, I don't know, man, they're just racist against us or something. They just don't like them. And I think that the main reason being that there is a lot of spammers and a lot of scammers in this industry. Therefore, they kind of get a bad rep, according to email autoresponders. They don't want to dirty their name associating with people that do affiliate marketing. But because of that, since you know that, then you know that your choices are very, very limited when it comes to affiliate marketing. It's important to choose the right autoresponder from the rip, from the beginning. Make sure you choose the right one. So a lot of people talk about Aweber, okay? Now, in my experience with Aweber, they're so-so. It's okay. You have to be very careful how you word things. You have to be very careful how you talk about making money online and stuff like that. They're one of the ones that are not big fans of affiliate marketing, so you can try it, but I would cross it off my list. Honestly, if you're going to pay for an autoresponder from the get-go and you're going to set yourself up with your business and all that, then you don't want to go ahead and go with a company that's going to keep a watchful eye on you and watch every move you do. And the minute that you slip up and say something that they don't like, they'll just ban your entire account. I don't like that. So Mailchimp is technically free. Technically, Mailchimp is for you cheap people who don't want to pay for an email autoresponder, which is absolutely insane. But if you go with Mailchimp, I guarantee you they're going to take down your account the minute they find out what you're doing, because they hate affiliate marketing. They're notorious for hating people who do affiliate marketing, and therefore they're not even close to being an option, okay? Don't even bother with Mailchimp. Forget about it from the beginning. Constant Contact, I've never actually used them, but all I've heard is that they're not great for affiliate marketing. So moving on. Convertkit. Now, I've heard people use Convertkit for affiliate marketing. I can't speak for it from a personal experience. I've never used it, but I know it has been used for affiliate marketing. If you want to try it out, give it a shot. Hubspot, I've never even heard of it, but I can almost guarantee they don't like affiliate marketing, because I know a lot of people in this space and I've never heard anyone say I have HubSpot, okay? That to me is a clear sign that they are not affiliate marketing friendly. Forget about them. Now, one that I think that a beginning affiliate marketer should look into is ActiveCampaign. Now, listen to me very clearly. They technically do not like affiliate marketing either, but kind of like Aweber, if you play your cards right, if you word things just right, they let you slip under the radar. Me personally, I don't like that, but at the same time, ActiveCampaign is a really powerful email automation tool if you are able to get some help and understand what it is you can and can't say within your emails. Okay, be very careful with ActiveCampaign, but they are a very good choice. Make sure you take the time to learn what you can and can't say, okay? So to me, at the end of the day, your choices as an affiliate marketer when it comes to choosing an email autoresponder is very limited, and I've actually narrowed it down to two big players to me. I like SendLane, who is very, very affiliate marketing friendly. They don't care at all what you do on their platform. They also have a lot of tools inside of SendLane that could help you in your affiliate marketing career. Okay, let's get into that. They integrate with ClickFunnels. I use SendLane with ClickFunnels for a little while. They integrate with ClickBank. They integrate with CreateForm, which I believe is a form builder for WordPress sites. Integrate with Facebook custom audiences. They do a lot of integration with a lot of companies and softwares and things, look, JVZoo, that you're going to use in your affiliate marketing career and business anyway, and they fit right perfectly in with all that. So it's actually an email autoresponder software that is almost perfectly built for affiliate marketing. They even integrate well with Shopify if you want to switch to drop shipping or any other business model with e-commerce. Now, what I actually like most about SendLane is this tool that they have inside SendLane called the SendLane Beacon. Now, what it actually is a line of code that you can put into your website, into your ClickFunnels account. Anywhere you want to put this code, it will actually track behavior. It actually tracks what customers do when they get to your page. And by doing so, it'll actually send out emails at the right time for the right reasons. Now think about this. If that's what it does, then say a customer leaves a certain page, that will trigger SendLane to send a specific email to that customer and say, hey, why did you leave the page? Here's a 20% off coupon. Are you sure you want to leave the page? You see how that can be really effective in your affiliate marketing business. So someone hasn't been to your website in 14 to 30 days or whatever you specify, you can have SendLane and their beacon automatically send out an email to those people and say, hey man, come on back. It's been a while since you've been here. Right? So this SendLane beacon is really, really powerful for your affiliate marketing business. It really helps you reach out to those customers and those leads and deliver the specific message at the right time depending on what they've been doing. They get very tailored to them emails. Now we're inside my dashboard right now, and what I want to say about SendLane is if I had to give it a score out of 10, I'd give it about a 6 or a 7, because the main thing with SendLane that I don't like is that the interface is a little clunky. Now what I mean is, obviously it has these automation trees like a lot of these other autoresponders have, but I find it to be very tedious the way they make you set things up, okay? As you can see, I have a little automation tree right here that I had set up, but unlike this next option that I'm going to tell you about, it just took so much time to go back and forth and program in the emails that I want to send out, at what time, how long I want people to wait, etc., etc. And if I wanted to make this tree more detailed and kind of branch out more, it would have took a long time. I've actually done it before. It takes so long because the way they have this whole thing set up, you kind of have to keep on inputting the same information over and over again instead of saving templates and things like that and being able to reuse them over and over again, which is much faster. It gets things done. So overall, like I said, it is a good option for your affiliate marketing business. If you want to go with SendLane, I do recommend it to certain people. I think you should be a little bit more advanced if you want to use SendLane, especially for the beacon. The beacon is really powerful stuff, but what I will say is the interface is really clunky. It does take a long time and get really frustrating for somebody who's a beginner. So I don't recommend that. I think if you're a beginner, but if you've been doing this for a long time, you get an idea of what you want to do, then SendLane actually does offer some pretty powerful tools, and it's very affordable. So SendLane is okay. And they don't mind affiliate marketing, very friendly, 24/7 chat. Their support system is one of the best that I've seen out there. 24/7 chat all day, every day. You just hit that chat button down here and somebody will pop up and talk to you live right there and in action. And the drum roll, please. Well, that's not much of a it's not much of a surprise since I got it on the screen right now. I think GetResponse is by far, hands down, the #1 best email autoresponder tool that you can use for your affiliate marketing career. GetResponse does a great job of cutting out all the fluff. They're very, very simple, okay? A beginner will immediately understand this. Plus, they have the 24/7 chat right here on the side, and you can talk to somebody who will walk you through so many things that you have problems with going forward. Every single day, I have something that I'm learning from somebody on the staff. They're great staff, and they're walking me through everything step by step. Now, because GetResponse has been around for a long time and it's a fairly big company, they integrate with so many things very easily. You have a WordPress blog, they integrate. You have a ClickFunnels account, they integrate. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you have like Builderall, or you have like Kajabi, or whatever other competitors, the lead pages, whatever else there is out there. GetResponse integrates seamlessly with all these things. Very affiliate marketing friendly. They don't care what you do with your email account, with your list, as long as you're not doing something illegal or scammy. Then they will shut you down. But as far as affiliate marketing and a make money online niche, they don't mind at all. As you can see, I hit the 24/7 chat button, and Christiana came right up and started talking to me. She said, "Hello, Joel, how can I help you?" And I can literally type in anything here. So just to prove it to you, I'm going to ask her if affiliate marketing is allowed on the platform. So as you can see, I asked her, "Do you guys allow affiliate marketing?" And she said, we do, yes. Now, a lot of other platforms, like if you use Aweber, if you use Mailchimp and things like that, and you go with their chat, you go with their customer service, they will say absolutely not, no. Even ActiveCampaign, who we talked about earlier, they will say absolutely not. They're very much against affiliate marketing. That's why it's important that you choose the right one. I say SendLane or GetResponse, and I'm stronger on GetResponse, especially if you're a beginner. I say GetResponse all the way, but as a secondary option, SendLane is okay. That if you want to get into GetResponse and use that beacon, because that thing is really powerful. So as I hit this drop-down menu here, you can see all the different tools that they offer you inside GetResponse. It's much more than just an email automation tool. They actually have all these other tools that help you out in your business. They have Facebook ads, they have forms and surveys, landing pages, auto funnel. Okay, so it's really a content management platform. You can just push out a lot of different things at the same time, and they can help you track what's going on and send out messages at the right times. So it's really, really powerful as well. Now, me personally, I'm a very simple person. I don't use a lot of these other over-the-top tools. You can if you want to. I just use simple email automation. So this is an example of one of my automations. I know it might look confusing with all the lines and all the loops and everything going on, but it was very, very simple to put it together because they allow you to save templates. They allow you to just draw lines where you want things to go. And it's so much easier to me than SendLane to set up these automations and be done with it. This one took me about 20 minutes, no lie. If I would have done the same thing on SendLane, it would have took me like an hour. So I was easily able to just put in, look, I'm going to send the first email. Let me know if they opened it. If not, wait 14 days. Loop back around, send the first email again. If they do open it, then wait 1 day, second email, 1 day, third email, and so on and so on and so on. And then I just wanted people to wait for 60 days until I came up with something else to send them. But I was easily able to put this together in about 20 minutes. No problem. Easy peasy. Now, if you join my private Facebook group, what I'm going to do is actually create a step-by-step tutorial on GetResponse and show people exactly how to set up an automation, exactly how to set up an email campaign for affiliate marketing. I want to show people step by step inside my private Facebook group. I'm going to have a link down in the description below. And if you want to get yourself a 30-day free trial of GetResponse, I'm going to have a link in the description below as well, where you can sign up for that. You have a whole month to figure this whole thing out and see how it works for your affiliate marketing business. Having an email autoresponder with your affiliate marketing business is paramount. You will fail without an email list. I promise you that 1000%. There is a lot of information out there. There's a lot of products. There's a lot of scammers out there who will tell you, no, you don't have to make an email list. I got this great thing for you so you can avoid the email list. For the longest time, I avoided the email list and I made no money whatsoever. What you have to understand as an affiliate marketer is that you're a distributor of information. You need to have a platform where you can contact your customers, your leads all day, every day, 24/7. And that's why an email autoresponder is so important. It is paramount. You can't skip this step. This is your business. I guarantee you, if you get into this, you're going to start making money and you're going to be able to scale your affiliate marketing business with the right autoresponder. I recommend 100% GetResponse. Okay? Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you smash that like button. Now, if you want to learn a step-by-step tutorial on affiliate marketing, what you've been doing wrong, and how you can turn things around and do things right, or if you're just a beginner and you're trying to figure out how all this thing works, then watch this video right here. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, then make sure you subscribe to the channel.